Today's mental health maintenance recommendation is connected to the topic of perception. And to make our point for today, we're going to look at a picture. So here's the picture that we are looking at. Now, when you see this picture, I have a question for you. The question is, when this picture was taken, how many different colored fruits and vegetables were present? Now, that question might seem a little strange, but I worded it very carefully for a reason. You'll notice that I did not ask simply, how many colors do you see? But I specifically asked, how many different colored fruits and vegetables were present when the picture was taken? Why did I ask that? Because is it possible that what we see in this picture is different from the color of the fruits and vegetables that were present when the picture was taken? Well, notice this. Yes, this is the exact same picture. Well, what has changed? In the original picture, the camera removed the shades of red from the picture. The shades of red were always there, but the camera changed what we see in the picture. What's my point? Well, what we need to analyze sometimes is when we see, or what we think we see, is it always the whole story? We might internally ask ourselves, am I seeing the complete picture? Do I have all the facts? In a way, the camera of our mind, the lens of our mind that affects our perception can be influenced or even limited by our background, our education, or our culture. Well, there's a lot more that we can say on this topic, but for today, we're just going to focus on the value of remembering that the way we see a situation may not always be the way the situation actually is. It is valuable for us to pause and ask ourselves, is there more to the story? Do I have all the facts? Is my assessment limited by my background, my culture, my education, or something similar? Well, I hope that helps you as you go about your day perceiving the world around you.